Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we are going to discuss about describe an interesting conversation that you had. Who you had it with, where did you have it, what was the conversation and why did you have it? Well, I am quite talkative. I like interacting with my friends on various topics. Last week, I got a call from one of my friends named Lovepreet from the USA. After the formal talk, he started talking about farmers' agitation in India. He was very concerned about the farmers and laborers who are part of this movement for the last 3 months in Delhi. Then he started to ask me about the current situation in Delhi. I told him that farmers are demanding abolishment of 3 agriculture bills which were passed by the government. But the government is denying to take it back. These bills are very beneficial for big corporates like Adani Groups and Reliance Industries. But on the other side, these bills will put a huge impact on farmers. Farmers will have to depend on the contractors for the seeds and the fertilizers. Second, the price of the crops will also be decided by private companies. There is no minimum support price for crops, which they are already receiving on wheat, pulses and rice. Apart from this, many economists said that it will also have an impact on every class, and in upcoming years inflation will also reach at peak. His father is a farmer. His all family members are in Delhi border to support this campaign. He also discussed the problem faced by protesters in winter and condemned the government. I assured him that government is also paying attention to it and some solution will come out soon. After that, we also discussed other things. So, this was the interesting conversation that I have had with my friend.